The Florida Supreme Court approved the language of an abortion rights amendment slated to be on the ballot for the general election this fall, a decisive victory for pro-abortion advocates heading into November. The pro-abortion group Floridians Protecting Freedom began organizing efforts in May for an abortion rights amendment. This came as a result of Republican Governor Ron DeSantis' signing of the state's 6-week gestational age limit on abortions. The amendment reads, quote, "No law shall prohibit, penalize, delay, or restrict abortions before viability or when necessary to protect a patient's health as determined by the patient's health care provider." Florida Attorney General Ashley Moody requested Supreme Court review of the proposed language in October. Moody said the amendment's use of the word viability may confuse voters, which can have two different meanings in a medical context depending upon the gestational age of the pregnancy. The 4-3 majority for the court said that the amendment and its implications ought to be clear to voters. Quote, "The broad sweep of this proposed amendment is obvious in the language of the summary. Denying this requires a flight from reality." When the Supreme Court heard oral arguments in the state's case against the amendment in January, the petition to get the issue on the ballot had received over 1.5 million signatures, well exceeding the legal threshold. Florida is one of 9 states actively weighing abortion rights amendments in 2024, including Arizona and Missouri. I'm Gabrielle Etzel, healthcare reporter for the Washington Examiner.